Hi everyone, in this video guide I'm gonna show you how to hide a token on MetaMask wallet account. So let me find MetaMask on my phone, and then you can find a coin that you want to hide. For example, I wanna hide USDT, and you can tap on this coin. After that, you can tap on three dot at the top right corner. And after that, you should to click on token details. There you go. After that, you can tap on hide token right here. So in the new window that appear, MetaMask warns that you can add this token back in the future by going to import token and searching for the token. Confirm. There you go. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about MetaMask. See you next time.